Oh, see, there you go. It's slow, spring loaded on that one. So if that happened to you, make sure turn it clockwise. This has to go here. This is counter. Goes up like this. Okay, it goes that way. This one down here goes this way. Okay, you need to have like a special tools again to hold this thing down when you're trying to put the build back in, but we're not doing that. Taking out the whole engine apart here. All right, guys, EJ25 right here, EJ20, same thing, Subaru. We're gonna be taking out this whole timing belt component here. It's all marked TDC already. You can see right there, 6, 12, 12 o'clock, 12 o'clock, and then 6 o'clock right there. Compression stroke on number 1 cylinder. So we're gonna be taking out all this other component here. All you need is a 12 socket right there. 14 and then 10 mil Allen key right here. I cracked this open already. This is loose. Check it out on that link on top right corner here. I did this video already. It's pretty easy. You don't need special tools to crack this open. I just need like 2 pieces, breaker bar and a pry bar. That's about it. So check that out, guys. You don't need special tools or cutting the old belt, hold it down, vice grip and stuff like that. I didn't use any of that. It was pretty easy. So check that link out. But now let's continue taking all this timing belt and components out. Doesn't matter if this thing is gonna move because I'm taking the whole head out and crack the block open. So it doesn't matter if they're top dead center. But taking this out is gonna spin out this sprocket right here. So let's start by taking out, there's pulleys right here, smooth pulleys, tensioner, and then the cog pulleys after. Let's start taking those out and then we'll go with cam bolts right after. 14 mil socket. And this one here is a 12. Look at this. Still covered up with whatever that is. We're gonna be replacing all this component right here. All right, this right here, there's Allen key you're gonna need to take out. So we could take out this belt out. All right, this is the 5 right here, 5 Allen key. I'm just gonna take that out. Just loosen it up and that thing will come out. Same thing on this side right here, just loosen it up. You don't need to take it out all the way. There you go. This side, loosening it up. Oh, see, there you go. It's slow, spring loaded on that one. Don't worry, guys, because we're gonna be taking out the head on this one. So if that happened to you, make sure turn it clockwise. This has to go here. This is counter. Goes up like this. Okay, it goes that way. This one down here goes this way. Okay, you need to have like a special tools again to hold this thing down when you're trying to put the build back in, but we're not doing that. And the last piece right here, we're gonna take out those 2 bolts. That looks like a 10. That's not gonna come out. Let's start putting the socket in, see if that works. There you go. There you go, belt is out. Definitely needs a new belt. You can tell right there it's cracking. There's lots of cracks on there. Not bad, no leaks here. Front crank seal is good, but we're gonna be replacing this oil pump and the cooler right there when we do this bearing replacement, because we don't want contamination go around the block with all those old oil and who knows, those fine materials from the bearings. I'm gonna be taking those out. All right, guys, there we go. Taking out this sprocket right here. There's 2 bolts. Same thing with this side right here. We'll take out the sprocket. So this is cracked open already. super loose. They all look the same. You don't need to go the same spot. They all look the same. This thing is torqued to spec. Alright, looks the same. But they have to go the same spot. There's a marking on here. Intake right hand. Intake left hand. There's markings on this right there. Alright, there's one. There's a pin right there. That pin, it goes into that bigger hole right here on this side. It only goes on that side right there. Do the exhaust, just wiggle it. Same thing, not bad, clean. We'll get all that old oil cleaned up. Let's take this one out. I'm gonna use a pry bar on this one. It looks like it's a little stiffer. There we go. We'll clean this one out. And then the exhaust is the last one. There we go. See, there's a little bit of dirt in there. Give this one a clean. See all that dirt right there? Clean that out. Okay. There we go. Take a look at this here. We had a little bit of problem, condensation on this cam seal on this side right here. So we're gonna be replacing this exhaust cam. We had to replace all 4 of them, and brand new valve cover gasket for sure. So that would be stopping the leak. You can see there's a little bit of wet spot right there. So we're gonna take out this back half cover, and on this side right here we're gonna be cleaning this up, removing this back side cover of the timing plastic right there. Okay, we're gonna take out this bracket right here so that this plastic will come out from this tabs right there. There's about 3 bolts, 2 and 1 right there, 12 mil. There you go, this whole thing will come out. Alright guys, so pretty much that's it for the front right here. It's all cleaned up. Timing chain, timing cover is gone. Pulleys. So this side is front, is good. Next video we'll move to the top right here. We'll take out the turbo is next. After that we're gonna take out the oil cooler right here. Clean all this up. And then we'll be taking out the valve covers next, head bolts, and then the head. That's it.